Well, how is your AC running? If you're wondering when you'll need to replace it, we're about to answer those questions for you and tell you how you can enter to win a brand new system. Jay Kline of Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical is with us this morning. Okay, so we are going to talk about that contest in just a moment. But first of all, let's talk about replacing, okay? Yep. Because often, and it's a tough time of the year, right? Yes. To know that we're in that humid time of the year. We feel like our AC is not running properly. Yep. But we don't really know. Is it just because of the year, the time of the year, or is it time to replace it?
Yeah, and it's tough because sometimes it is this time of year. Most people have to go down 1 or 2 extra degrees to compensate for the humidity in the home to make it feel the same temperature cool-wise.
Exactly.
So it is tough, and especially we always just recommend if you notice it not being able to keep what you set it at your thermostat. You set your thermostat at 78 and it creeps up to 81, 82, that's when it's time to give us a call.
Okay, so that's one telltale sign.
Yep.
So beyond that, let's talk about some other signs because we might be oblivious to that one.
Yeah.
So sometimes they have to scream at you, literally, right? So for us to know there's a problem. What are some other issues that we might, because you always say you got to listen to, right? And sometimes smell.
Yeah, so there's a couple smells that you'll get. One is a burning smell, is the most common you'll notice inside. Things overheating is what it is, motors overheating, that kind of stuff. And the other is usually a squealing noise, is the other one that you'll get, and that usually comes from outside, can come from inside as well. Okay,
so there's an option then at that point. Well, obviously you have no option. You got to call Penguin Air to come out if any of those symptoms are happening. Yeah. So let's talk about repairing. Any of those that you just mentioned, is that repairable? Or I know it's kind of a big question.
I was actually talking to one of your colleagues this morning, and it's a machine. It can be replaced. You know, everything can be repaired, I should say. Everything can be repaired. We can make the thing run forever if you want. But it also comes a time of if you have a 30-year-old car and it needs a new motor and transmission, are you going to put that much money into it?
Yeah, got to do the math on that point, right?
So you want something that's reliable, more efficient, and going to get you through every summer, that kind of confidence. That's when it's time to start replacing a system.
Well, and that's when it's really time to rely on you guys too, because we don't know, right? And will your guys tell us, yay, you know, we're estimating about this much, to buy a new one is about this much. Can we help us figure that out?
Yeah, so we always go through a cost analysis with you, give you plenty of options, and then part of that we do what's called a repair versus replace. That shows, hey, if you have $800 in repairs, or if you're looking at replacing a system, here's what it'll cost you over the next 3 years on average. How long do you plan on staying in the home? Those are all big factors on that repair versus replace. And if it's, hey, if we're going to be in the house 2 years, maybe it's better to just repair it and hope it gets us through. If we're going to plan on being here 8 to 10, let's probably replace it.
All right, well, if you think you need to replace your AC, there's good news for you this morning because you guys are doing a very special giveaway for one lucky person. What is that?
So we're going to give away a full air conditioning system installed on your home, so that's up to a $10,000 value.
Wow. Yeah. That's really kind of you guys.
So we try and give back if we can.
Oh, we appreciate that because you know what? A new system, it can be a little pricey. So you know what? You might be the lucky winner, right? So here's what you want to do. Here's that information for you. Okay, one lucky person will get a $10,000 gift card for a new HVAC unit from Penguin Air. Now, here's what you got to do. Enter and learn the rules right here at this website, abc15.com/contest, and good luck. And if you need to get your AC serviced, repaired, or replaced, and you didn't win, that's okay too. You can call Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical at 480-747-6801, or you can visit the website. You can also make your appointment online at penguinair.com.